Asuntoskeittiöpormestarin kulma.
Yes, this is amazing also today on 14th of July 2025. It was at Kymenkartanonkatu 4 staircase B.
Yeah.
Also here in Lahti region, Finland. Kone with MP6 features, capacity is 3 per certain wipers. Hope we can get the staircase today as well.
Yeah.
I love the smell here.
Se.
2 rounds substat.
Yeah.
6 floors built in 1962, this versus 10607. And it has the rear link open.
Yeah.
U is the attic floor all.
Yeah.
Yeah, some level just. We have to wait there.
Mm.
Sorry. I'm sorry. I got your reaction on it, but
Yeah.
it's a bit ironic. Too bad that was locked. My basement is there, so.
Yeah.
I'm doing some renovation here, that's why there's so much noise here. And but it's still we can try this out.
Yeah.
I love the sounds also. Oh,
Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah, we fit in here. But luckily this staircase was not locked off.
Yeah. Inspektit paki vai inspektit meidän paisumi surakointi.
That's it. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna get to the staircases.
Yeah. That's